Hi guys, it's Stu from eQuit. Just want to run you through a couple of things you can check if you're getting a burnt taste or what we call dry hits from your CE4 Clearomiser. First of all, just ask yourself, how long have you had the Clearomiser? Because these things only tend to last 2 to 6 weeks on average, depending on how much you're using it. If it's older than that, chances are the atomizer is burnt out and that needs replacing. If it's a new or nearly new Clearomiser, there's a couple of things you can do. First of all, obviously make sure your liquid's topped up enough. If your liquid's too low, it's going to struggle to get up those wicks and into the heating coil at the top. If it's still topped up and you're still having problems, then what you can do is take a cold hit, which basically means vape on it as normal but without pressing the button. So what you're doing is sucking up a bit of that liquid up to the wicks and getting the flow going to the atomizer. If you've done that and you're still having problems, it's a bit more involved, and if you're not comfortable with tinkering or messing around with your Clearomiser, bring it in for us and we'll have a go for you. So what we're going to do, we're going to unscrew the mouth tip there, and then we need something long and pointy. A 1.4mm screwdriver is perfect, but anything will do that can fit down that middle pin. So we'll pop that in there gently into the middle pin and just wiggle that out. And there we go. Just be careful that doesn't fly off. Now sometimes these rubber grommets here are a touch too long, so that when they're pushed down they can cause a kink in the wick, which can stop the liquid from getting to the heating coil and doing its job properly. So all you need to do is get a pair of scissors, a scalpel, Stanley knife, something like that, and cut a tiny piece off the end of that grommet. I've already done it on this one, as you can see. There. So you're looking to get about 1/2 millimetre or so. If you get too much, chances are you're going to cause flooding on the atomizer, which is kind of the opposite of the problem we're trying to fix. So do be careful, and if you're unsure, just bring it in for us. Once you've done that, getting it in is even more fiddly, so we'll just pop that on the top, push the sides in there with your screwdriver, and once that's central, get a pair of tweezers or something similar and gently push that down, and we'll manoeuvre this back into place over the central post. So just make sure that the sides of that rubber grommet are going over that central post and that everything is pushed down properly. And there we go, you can see that's back to normal there. And just pop your mouth tip back on, tip that upside down, wiggle it about, make sure the liquid soaks in properly, vape away, and you should be happy with that. Cheers.